Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of Navrangi Navratri makeup series, and today's color is royal blue, and for that I have created this pink eyeshadow with electric blue eyeliner look. I hope you all enjoy the video. If you are new here on my channel, then click on the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon for all the latest videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. You can find the link to my Instagram account in the description box below. And now if you want to know how to get this look, then let's dive into this musical tutorial. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I am really loving this series wherein every day I'm trying out something new, and it's really giving me huge amount of happiness. I hope you all are enjoying it too. And if you all did like this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, comment and subscribe below it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.